So this is Kaya's Cycle. How long you been doing this, man?
Go ask the boss, man.
She's the boss?
She's the boss.
Oh, okay. Hey. I'm just touring throughout the country. I always do videos of my experience. I got to get some off my bike.
Right. Oh, right.
Yeah. So how long you have your bike shop here?
About 5 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's not too long. What got you into it? I guess you're a cyclist.
Not really.
Oh, the money.
No. It's way worse than my previous job.
Okay.
Yeah. It's more of we only live once, do something I like.
No, that's great, man. That's great. Yeah, I'm touring the country in different countries on my bike.
Right. What makes you? How do you find us, man?
Well, I actually found another shop here, but they couldn't do anything at the back, and they referred me to you all.
Right.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
I couldn't find you on Google Maps, though.
Oh, okay.
Well, we are there.
Are you there?
Yeah, we are on Google.
Okay, this is what I needed, and I need, let's see here.
Oh, the box is outside. Yes. Oh, I
Guess
think I will let my colleague assist you first. I'll go and do myself first.
Yeah, no problem. All right, that's what I needed, man.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. All right.
Busy.
Right.
Oh, busy.
Yeah.
So many customers.
Yeah, that's good.
Wow, that's good. Oh, busy, huh?
So they have a really nice place here. So if you're ever in Singapore and you need a good bike shop, check them out. Kaya's Cycle. I might be doing some posting for them on Instagram. Okay, man. Thank you. You'll be here tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll be here tomorrow.
Okay, I'm gonna try to pick my bike up tomorrow.
Sure.
Okay, take care.
tomorrow.
All right, bye-bye.
Cheers.
Right. Hold on, man.
All right, sure.
So how long you been doing this, man?
About 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
This is a great shop, man. You must serve a lot
Thanks,
of
man.
people in the area.
Yeah, we do.
I understand. I see all these compact bikes more than the big bikes. I guess it's easy for people to travel with.
Yeah, I mean, with urbanization, everything is getting smaller. Your roads are getting smaller. So yeah, those foldable bikes actually help. I mean, you can just bring it up to the metro. After you reach your shop, you can just fold it and then put it at the office area. It will save a lot of space, man.
Great.
Yeah.
Now, I travel in different countries and I'm a member of Warm Showers. Do you get a lot of cyclists that's traveling to kind of look you up for service?
We do have some expats, foreigners, but
Like me?
yeah, sure. Yeah, but we haven't really heard of this group before. But yeah, I mean, we hope to see more of it.
Yeah. So, hey, if you all are on Warm Showers like me, you travel to different countries, you come to Singapore, this is the place to come get your bike service. They did a great job for me, and I know they'll do great for you. And thanks again, man.
No worries, man.
Okay.
All right. Cheers.
God bless. Bye. It's fun. Ten floors. I could have taken the elevator, but why do that, right? What floor is this? Fifth floor. Okay, I made it down. All right, head back to the pad.